Okay, Google, tell me another joke.
Damn!
In 400 meters, turn right. In 150 meters, at the roundabout, take the third exit, turn right onto the ramp.
Whoa. Okay. Huh? Hey Google, tell me a joke.
Why can't the bicycle stand on its own? It's too tired. Exit the roundabout.